I'm going to be showing you how you can use Claude to make a full functioning app. And this is my second video. Please like and subscribe if you like my content. Okay, so let's give, here, I just pasted the prompt in, and then I'm going to send it to Claude. Right now you should see Claude, working. Yeah, I guess working. Yeah, it knows a lot. It knows a lot, what to do, and it's really good. I really like Claude. They're not promoting me or anything like that. I just really like Claude. And right now, I'm just gonna say that right now, if you do not have Node, go install it. Just go to their website, or I'm not just gonna say go install it, but it is so worth it. So worth it. So then you can just write this, and then it'll give you a local host. It's super super useful, and you need it. If you're a developer, yeah, you absolutely need it. I promise you, it's worth every penny. Okay, what I'm gonna do is download it, and this is my 7th index. Now I'm actually gonna make a file, called it index.html. You have to have the HTML, and do not, after it should not say next. Do not have, you cannot have that. It has to be .html. That's it. Okay, so I just got the file, so I'm going to open the file from Claude that Claude gave me. Downloads 7, and I'm going to copy everything in here and copy it over. I like doing it this way because it's super easy. Then here's where Node comes in. Then we're going to write npx serve dot. Click enter, and it should take a second to load, and it should be all done. Okay, it's using localhost 300, and here we go. It just made an awesome app. Let's see how well it works. Let's say play PS5. Add. It works really nice. Done. Okay. Active all. And I can delete it properly. Now, let's say I wanted to make the background black and actually add stars. And add stars and make it longer / bigger. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Autocorrect. Awesome. This should make it black and make it bigger. Awesome. It should be up reviewing the code and then making it properly. We got Claude working right now. And in this video, I am not going to show you how to post it to the Google Play Store. But if you want me to show you how to properly post it, this video has to reach 200 likes. Yeah, 200 full likes. That would help me out a lot, and I'll also be able to show you. Thank you guys so much for still listening. I hope you find this useful. And in the comments, could you please tell me what I should do next? For example, use 5 different AIs to make a big functioning app, or make a full app that's just crazy. I don't know. Anything you guys want, tell me in the description. The most liked one will be in the next video. So stay tuned for that. Claude is still updating the code. And let's just delete this because we do not need it, and go back. Now it's actually updating the code. Okay, so from this to, I don't even have it yet, so, but this, and I'll show you in a second. Yeah, Claude is super useful, and actually live server, let's close the port that I have, but if you look down at my bottom right, you see the live server. Well, right now you'll probably see nothing. I don't know what will pop up. Yeah, nothing pops up. But the thing is, you should really download live server because it is super useful. And my extensions, yeah, live server right here. It is like super useful. It works really good. Like works really good, and it is super super useful. So, yeah, it's a really good one, and it's super useful to use and easy to use too. Let's see if the Claude is ready. Yeah, it is too. Okay, download it, index 8, file, index 8. Control A, Control C, all this, boom, file, save all, and then open it up. Okay, this is way better than the other one. I don't know what the progress bar is, but I think it is a little cooler. Just bigger, and let's see if it still works. Play PS5. Of course, it's still gonna work. Oh, I see the progress bar. Now let's see. Hi. Okay. So it actually works really well. I love the progress bar. It makes it super well. Or like nice. Done. Yeah, this is super cool. This is like an actual functional app, and you can build it and make tons of money. So, stay tuned for my next video, and I hope you really enjoyed this one. If you don't mind, go subscribing and liking, but I might show you soon how to use it with Google Play. So, yeah, I have to say bye, and go create your own app. I bet if you guys give me the link down below, I'll go check all of them out and heart them for the ones I checked out. Okay. Okay. Bye guys, I think. Yeah. Always be creative.